Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is 53 of our challenge, Adding Cards. In this challenge, you will learn how to add cards to your videos that link to other suggested videos you may want to share or are related to your current video. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get started. Yesterday we left off on the visibility screen of our video uploader and we went over end screens. Today we're going to cover this card section just below it. So what exactly is a card? Cards are interactive elements added to YouTube videos that can be used to promote these videos, playlists, websites, even merchandise, or other channels. Viewers can see them when they're on the desktop or even on their mobile apps. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. Of course, you want to start by hitting the add button. And then you can see we have options right here to view or to add a video, a playlist, or a channel. Down here, we have a bar that shows us where we're doing this. So if you know you were speaking about something related to another video that you've made in your video, let's say it was about 3 minutes in, as I move this slider here, the time tag will change over here so you know where that is. And you can play, you might not have to double check where you're leaving this card in the video. So let's say that's exactly where I want to put it, and I want to link it to another video that I've created. I can go ahead and hit the plus sign here, and I have access to all the videos that are already on my channel. So all I have to do is select the video I want to link, and this one's not live yet, so that's why it's giving me that error message. So let's go ahead and pick a different one. So these are all the ones on my channel. I can also search anywhere on YouTube, or I can search specifically. So like I know I have a video on QR codes. So if I just type in QR there, here's that video. So now it's saying that this video, you can see there's this little blue tag here. This video is linked at 3 minutes in the video that I am creating right now. So right here we have the little preview. So you can see at the 3-minute mark, this little guy here is going to pop up on the screen as a suggested video for the viewer to watch. So all they have to do is click that little eye and it will open up a new window and take them to my QR code video. Now I don't actually want to add that into this video. I wanted to make sure you knew how to do it. So once you have all of your cards in there that you want associated with that video, just go ahead and click Save. You can absolutely add more cards. You can see you just hit this plus button right here and add whatever cards you would like. If you have done what I've done and you added a card and you decide you don't actually want it there, just hit that trash can and it will go away. I'm not doing any changes, so I'm just going to go ahead and discard those changes. Like I said, if you have added something you actually want in your final video, go ahead and hit Save. After you do that, tell me in the comments what you plan to link in your videos, and then that will conclude our training for the day. So join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge, and we will be going over, posting and scheduling your videos to your channel. I'll see you then.